Hi friends, the 2017-18 budget is almost here. The whole country is excited and ready to welcome the new budget. The budget is a crucial document that represents the vision and mission of the government to ensure development and inclusive growth. It is for each citizen of the country, and therefore each one of us should know what the budget is. Here is a pop quiz to make sure that all of us are up to date on budget.
Do you know how the budget is prepared?
It starts with the budget division of the Ministry of Finance issuing the budget circular. The estimates are prepared by the ministries. Finance minister then examines them. Estimates are then consolidated by the budget division and the budget is presented.
Who presents the budget?
Finance minister presents the budget in the parliament along with the budget speech.
When is the budget presented?
Traditionally, the budget was being presented at 5 p.m. on the last working day of February. In 2001, this colonial practice was changed by Shri Yashwant Sinha, who presented the budget at 11 a.m., which continues to be the practice till date. This year, another significant change was introduced. The budget will now be presented on the 1st of February. There are also a couple of other important changes this year. The general and the rail budget have been merged and the distinction between plan and non-plan expenditures have been taken away.
Let's know more about our finance ministers. Who was the first to present the budget?
The first finance minister, Shri Shanmukham Chetty, presented the first ever budget in 1947.
Who presented the most number of budgets?
Shri Morarji Desai presented a record 10 budgets, followed by Shri P. Chidambaram with 8. Shri Yashwant Sinha and Shri Manmohan Singh presented 5 budgets in a row each.
Can you name the finance minister who hasn't presented a budget?
Shri K.C. Niyogi. He held the office for just 35 days and didn't get an opportunity to present a budget.
Has there ever been a lady finance minister who presented the budget?
Yes, of course. None other than Srimati Indira Gandhi. Another interesting fact is that Shri Jawaharlal Nehru, his daughter Srimati Indira Gandhi, and her son Shri Rajiv Gandhi presented the budgets when they were the Prime Ministers of India while also holding the finance portfolio.
What is the story behind the briefcase that all our finance ministers seems to carry?
The word budget is derived from the French word budget, or small bag that was once considered sufficient to hold an individual's wealth. The tradition has been followed on almost every budget day since 1860, when James Wilson presented the first budget in Britain, whose President India followed on gaining independence.
What is the story behind the interesting halwa ceremony?
Printing of documents of the budget starts with the halwa ceremony. Sharing sweet is the Indian way of starting any important event, so it also adds some Indian flavor to the budget process. That's all we have for you. We hope this year's budget will truly be a Sabke Vikas ka budget.